Hello! Right, we're going to start today with an unboxing. I don't remember back in February I used a kit from Paper Fox. Did the classes in the kit from them, or some of the layouts from it, and then I made some other pages with some of the leftovers, and I've still got loads left. That kit was from a Dutch company called DLS Design, and they do a monthly scrapbook kit. You subscribe monthly, and if you're outside the EU, the kit is shipped to you every other month. So I've just a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, received my first box, which is June and July's kits. This is July's kit, and it also as well had some other extra bits that I bought too. So I'm just going to go through July's kit, which is Outgoing, because that's the one I'm going to scrap with today. So first of all, you get 8 double-sided sheets of paper and 1 bonus pattern. So the bonus pattern is the reverse side of the cover sheet, which are these fab squares which can be cut up and used as tuckies. So I really like them. You've then got the first of the 8 sheets of these tags. So they are, let's have a look, 2-inch tags. This kit actually sold out some of the papers left in the add-on paper pack, which I've got as well. B-side of that is this one with the horizontal and diagonal marks on it. Then there's this paper with the coloured stripes from the different colours in the kit. You do also get like this card as well, which shows you the colours that are in the kit, and on the back it's got the ink matches for Versamart, Distress, Memento and Brilliance. So when there's like a Memento, so basically it's just the colour matches for what they know of those, so if they don't know for a colour they don't guess, and also some, that's, you know, extra bits as well, or what's in it, sorry. So yeah, so that's all the colours in the kit, and then that's your B-side, which are these. It's this gorgeous red with loads of tiny hearts. I love this one. So you've got the semicircles. I've got so many stamp sets, so I've got semicircles like this, which are going to coordinate that I can do stuff with to go with it. And then the back are like these swooshes of little scribbles of colour. This zigzag one in a few of the colours. There's actually a sheet of Edgewell, a single sheet, which has got like the pinks and the reds in these zigzags as well. And then you've got this orange on the back, just kind of, I think they match this to pumpkin spice, which I've just realised I've pulled spice marmalade out instead of pumpkin spice, so I need to change that. And then there's these squares with the white triangles on it, and then the B side is their like, is that jade? It's not jade, is it? I can't remember. Aqua kind of colour. They match this to Salvage Patina or Peacock Feathers. Turquoise, that's it. Turquoise. So Versamark is the turquoise Versamarks. And they've got this white with the crosses in the colours from the kit in the diagonal. And then the B side of that is this pink with the white swishes on it. Love this diamond with the yellow and the pink and the deep turquoise. That's not turquoise, it's greenier than turquoise. And then it's got this gorgeous red on the back with the white leaves. Then there's this word sheet, so you've got like the letters in bubbles making words in a few different colours from the collection. And you can like cut out, I've seen a few of the DT from DLS sort of cutting out a word and then, you know, cutting them singular letters around the circle and using that. So that's the papers from the kit. There's then in this kit paper die cuts. Let Let me get me die cut tray out. We're going to be scrapping with this, so we'll get them out. So there's hearts and the crosses. Oh gosh, there's loads in it. So it's like loads of these hearts and stars and things. I don't know how well, you can't see that on the tray. And then, because it's summer, you go out eating, there's lots of like food things and these big framey type ones, words and all sorts in it. That's pretty. So yeah, some larger tags, florals. So there's all sorts in it, little banners and loads of tags and things, big words. So that all coordinates with the kit. Some more botanicals. So yeah, there's all of that. So that's a die cut. So then these little epoxy circles. They're cute. Use a 15mm blank wax seal and they sit nicely inside them. And get a set of stamps. So this one's got tags in this square and different things you can fill the tags. Oh, the rectangle as well. Bits for journaling and nice big words. And we've got the enamel dots. The sheet of word stickers. And then a puffy alphabet. So that's the kit. On top of the kit, I also bought the 12x12 paper set. So this again is 8 double-sized sheets with a bonus pattern on the back. So that red one with the white leaves in the kit, it's got this version of it in the extra paper pack. We've then got these flowers, and I don't know if you can see, but on the background of the flowers got these triangles. The back of that is the pink with little red dots. You've then got a red grid with white lines like the orange one in the kit, and then this is just covered in the swooshes in the colours from the kit. Love this one. These are circles with white lines through them, and then we've got the greeny colour with hearts on it. This gingham with flowers on, with the pinks and the reds and the orange leaves on a white background on the back. Love these. You could fussy cut some of these if you're the fussy cutting type, which we know I'm not. And then that's got, so it's got the strips of paper, strips of the colour on the back. I think the line between each colour is a bit thicker on this. It's not identical to the one in the collection. Then we've got the squares again. What they do is if there is like a pattern that's repeated from somewhere else, it's a different B-side. So yeah, the squares again, and then you've got the triangles on the B-side. Diamonds, sorry, not triangles. And some of the diamonds are blank, and some of the diamonds have a crisscross grid pattern on them. Then we've got the orange with polka dot, tiny little dots, with white with strawberries on the back. And then the oranges with the yellow grid. So that's the add-on 12 by 12 paper. I mean, you can buy, you know, any of the add-on, you know, bits that aren't in the kit. So the papers you can buy separate. You can buy all the embellishment bits separate. You don't have to buy the full kit. And then you've got the papers that you can buy separate. I got 6 by 8 pad as well because it's just really cute. And this has most of the patterns. This is like a white background with different colour swag. Is that? There we go, it's focusing. Pink and red zigzag and those circles with the white through it. So I'll just flick through this. So it's got the colours from, it's got the papers from both those collections of papers, and then a few extra designs or some of the papers in different colourways. And some of the loose papers as well, like that. That's the yellow with the swags on it. Some of the single sheets as well have got different patterns that I haven't purchased. So that's the kit and the add-on papers that I bought. And yeah, that's just Outgoing, that's just June, and I'm going to scrap with that now, which is why I've just shared that kit for the time being. Okay, let's get set up to get the photos and what have you for layout. See you later.